rank of this matrix. This is a 4 by 4 matrix. This is 4 by 4 matrix. So rank means you have to find a largest order non-vanishing minor. You have to find the largest order non-vanishing minor. So first of all, let us try from 4 by 4. So 4 by 4 minor is a determinant of this one. This is, that is 0, 6, 6, 1 and minus 8, 7, 2, 3. So minus 2, 3, 0, 1 and minus 3, 2, 1, 1, and I am applying the operation, that is a C2 and C2 minus 6 times C4, and then I apply C3 minus 6 times C4. So what I get? Let us see that I will get 0, 0, 0, 1, because I want to make 0 here. So I am applying C2 minus 6 times C4, C3 minus 6 times C4. So what I get? I will get minus 8. Here I will apply the operation, minus 2, minus 3. So here 6 minus 6 is 0, 7 minus 18 is minus 11, 3 minus 6 is minus 3, and 2 minus 6 is minus 4. So here 6 minus 6 is 0, 2 minus 18 is 16, minus 16, and 0 minus 6 is minus 6, 1 minus 6 is minus 5. So this is 3, 1, 1. Okay, now expand by R1. When you expand by R1, this is positive, negative, positive, negative. So this is negative and this is 3 by 3 determinant. So I am expanding by R1. So what I get? I will get 8, 11, 16. I am taking negative outside from first row, second row, third row. So 3 negative outside, so 1 negative from above. So what we get? We get positive 2, 3, 6, 3, 4 and 5. Now if I apply row operation here, that is R1 minus R2. So what I get? I will get 8 minus 2 is 6, 11 minus 3 is 8, and 16 minus 6 is 10. So I will get 2, 3, 6 and 3, 4, 5. So if I take 2 common from this one, so if I take 2 common from this one, so I will get 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, and this is 2, 3, 6, so this is 3, 4, 5. Now look at this one, R1 and R3, they are identical, and when the 2 rows are identical, so determinant is 0. So 2 into this is 0. So minor of order 4 is 0. Minor of order 4 is 0, so rank cannot be 4. Rank cannot be 4. It will be less than 4. So it means it is less than equal to 3. Okay. Now we have to find minor of order 3. Minor of order 3. Now if you look at this matrix, okay, try to understand this thing. This is the first row. This is the first row. This is row R1. This is row R2. This is row R3. This is row R4. And this is C1. This is C2. This is C3. This is C4. If you see the number of minor of order 3 by 3, number of minor of order 3 by 3, you see that what will be number of minor of order 3 by 3? Yes, out of 4 row you have to select 3 row, and out of 4 column you have to select 3 column. So you will get 4 here and 4 here, 16 minor. So this method is very lengthy method. इस मेथड में हमें 16 मैट्रिक्स को चेक करना पड़ेगा, उनका डिटर्मिनेंट निकालना पड़ेगा, फिर हमें ढूंढना पड़ेगा कि एक कौन सा डिटर्मिनेंट है जो 0 नहीं है. हो सकता है कि सारे के सारे डिटर्मिनेंट 0 हों, तो हमें सभी को फाइंड करना पड़ेगा. लेट अस ट्राई टू फाइंड माइनर ऑफ ऑर्डर 3 by 3. सो कैसे फाइंड करेंगे 3 by 3? तो लेट अस चेक दिस थिंग. सो आई एम checking this thing 0, 6, 1, minus 8, 7, 3 and minus 2 and 3, 1. This try to calculate this one. When you evaluate this one, you will get minus 2, which is non-zero. So it means there is one minor. So what we have done, we have taken this minor, that is I have taken 0, 6, 1. So I have eliminated C3. I have eliminated C3 column and I have eliminated C3 column. This column has gone. So 0, 6, 1, minus 8, 7, 3 and minus 2, 3, 1. I have eliminated row R4 and I have eliminated column C3. But how you will understand that ki I have to take this minor? So there is no formula to decide which determinant is non-zero, which is not zero. So we have to take one by one. So the simple method is that I will fix row R4. I will fix row R4. I will fix row R4 and then I will eliminate first column, then second column, then third column, then fourth column. Then I can calculate for first column I will get one determinant, for second column I will get another determinant, for third column I will get another determinant and for fourth column I will get another determinant. So it means एक रो को फिक्स करके मैं 4 डिटर्मिनेंट कैलकुलेट कर लूँगा, फिर दूसरी रो को फिक्स करके फिर तीसरी को, चौथी को, हर एक में 4 आएंगे तो टोटल 16 बनेंगे. तो 16 मतलब कि 16 को आपको चेक करना पड़ेगा. अगर 16 के 16 जो 16 के 16 मैट्रिक्स अगर 0 हो जाए उनके डिटर्मिनेंट, तो इसका मतलब रैंक कैनॉट बी 3. ओके, रैंक कैनॉट बी 3. देन वी चेक 2 by 2 मैट्रिसेस. तो 2 by 2 चेक करेंगे तो 2 by 2 चेक करने पड़ेंगे, फिर उनके जितने भी बनेंगे उनमें से चेक करना पड़ेगा. अगर 2 by 2 के भी सारे 0 हो गए देन वी गो टू द 1 by 1. तो फिर एक भी नॉन जीरो एलिमेंट आ गया, रैंक इज 1. बट इन दिस केस, पर्टिकुलरली दिस केस, क्योंकि हमारे पास एक माइनर जो है 3 ऑर्डर का जो नॉन जीरो आ गया, therefore we can say that the rank is, therefore we can say that rank is we can say that rank of A is 3. Rank of A is 3. Okay, thank you. Hello dear students, this is very important question from the rank. When we what is the meaning of rank? And if I say that ki the rank of A, rank of matrix A is less than 3. Less than 3 means it is less than and equal to 2. When I say that ki the rank is 2, it means that ki there exists at least one minor of order 2 or less than 2 which is non-zero, less than 2 which is non-zero. Okay, so there exists at least one minor of order 2 which is non-zero. And another thing that is also another aspect is that ki all the minor of order greater than 2 are 0. That is, this also implies all minor of order greater than 2 are 0. So if you see, this is the matrix of 3 by 3, तो 2 से बड़ा जो minor है वो 3 होगा. So this implies a minor of order 3 by 3 is 0. So 3 by 3 minor मतलब determinant of this matrix, that is A 0 1 and 1 2 A and 1 2 3 will be 0. So simplify this. When you simplify this, what you get? When you simplify this, determinant is 0. Determinant 0 means this implies that determinant is 0. When you expand this one, you get a quadratic equation, and when you simplify this, you will get two value of A 0 and 3. So for these values of A, this matrix has determinant less than 3, and you can find the rank also using this one. You can find the rank also. So for A is 0, so we get the determinant is 0 for A is 0 and 3. So for when A is 0, so let us find the matrix A. What is the matrix A? Matrix A is 0 0 1, because I am substituting the value, and 1 2 0 and 1 2 3. So you can find, because determinant is for this value 0, so this rank cannot be 3, it is less than 3, so it may be 2. So let us find all the minor of order 2. Look at this thing, this minor, look at this minor, 2 minus 0 0, this is also 0, this is non-zero. Look at this one, this is the minor of order 2, minor of order 2, that is 0 1 2 0. Now when you calculate this one, you get minus 2, which is non-zero. So minor of order 2 is non-zero, so it means the rank of A is 2. So rank is 2 here. Now when A is 3, what is A? Let us find this one. What is A when A is 3? So this is 3 0 1 1 2 3 and 1 2 3. Okay, now find one minor which is non-zero. Look at this thing again, this is again the minor of order 2, minor of order 2, that is a 0 1 2 3, which is minus 2, which is again non-zero. So in this case also rank is 2. So for the value of A, 0 or 3, the rank is 2. Thank you. Students, let's try this question. This question is very very important in exam. Generally you get question of this type. इस क्वेश्चन में हमें दिया हुआ है कि जो A का रैंक है वो 3 से लेस है, तो इसका मतलब हमें गिवन दिया हुआ है कि द रैंक ऑफ A is less than 3. So this implies rank of A is less than equal to 2. So we can imply from here that ki all minor of order greater than 2, order greater than 2 means 3 by 3 are 0. बिकॉज इसका रैंक 3 से कम है, इसका मतलब जितने भी माइनर इसके 3 से कम का मतलब 2 हो गया. अगर रैंक 2 हुआ तो 3 ऑर्डर के, 4 ऑर्डर के, सभी ऑर्डर के जो माइनर हैं वो 0 होंगे. लेकिन ये वाला मैट्रिक्स अगर आप ध्यान से देखो तो ये 4/3 है, तो 4/4 तो बन नहीं सकता क्योंकि इसके पास 4 रोज तो हैं लेकिन कॉलम नहीं है. तो इसका मतलब है कि ये इसके पास माइनर किस ऑर्डर के होंगे? 3/3. ओके, मैक्सिमम 3/3 हो सकता है, फिर 2/2, 1/1. तो इसका मतलब क्योंकि रैंक इसका 3 से लेसर है, इट मे बी 2, इट मे बी 1 और इट मे बी 0 इफ इट इज 0 मैट्रिक्स. सो इट मीन्स दैट कि द ऑल द माइनर ऑफ 3/3 इज 0. सो क्योंकि हमें एच और के का वैल्यू फाइंड करना है तो मैं वो वाला माइनर लूँगा जिसमें एच आ रहा हो. तो एच आने के लिए मैं किसी रो को एलिमिनेट कर दूंगा, क्योंकि 3/3 बनाना है तो मैं इस रो को एलिमिनेट कर रहा हूँ. तो इसका मतलब हो गया कि आई हैव दिस माइनर 1 0 0 0 h minus 2 2 0 0 3, this is 0. okay, and I want to calculate k also. so एक k वाला भी ले लेते हैं. उसमें उसके लिए क्या करेंगे, हम ये वाला h वाला एलिमिनेट कर देते हैं रो. तो बनेगा दैट इज 1 0 0 0 k minus 2 h plus 2 एंड 0 0 3. क्योंकि सारे माइनर जो 3/3 के हैं वो 0 हैं, इसका मतलब ये 0 हो गए. अगर हम इसको एक्सपैंड करें, इसको अगर एक्सपैंड करेंगे तो व्हाट विल हैपन? सो यू विल गेट h विल बी 2. सो h विल बी 2. सो आई विल यूज h वैल्यू हियर एंड देयरफॉर डिटर्मिनेंट बिकम्स 1 0 0 0 क्योंकि h 2 है. सो h इज 2, सो दिस बिकम 4 एंड दिस इज 0 0 3. क्योंकि ये डिटर्मिनेंट 0 है, यहाँ से हम k का वैल्यू निकालेंगे. That is k will be, when you expand this one, you will get k will be 2. So h is 2, k is 2. So under this condition that कि अगर इस मैट्रिक्स का जो रैंक है वो 3 से कम है तो h is 2, k is 2. So that the matrix the rank of this matrix is such that the rank of this matrix is this is missing. The rank of matrix is less than 2, and let us suppose this is A matrix. So rank is less than equal to 2. So I will use the definition of rank because its rank is less than equal to 2. It means that ki minor of order 2 or less than 2 will survive, but all the minor greater than 2 will not survive, they become 0. So this is the matrix of order 3/3. I am using the second definition because rank is less than 2. All minor of order 3/3 is 0. okay, so this is 3/3, so I will put this is equal to 0. 3 3x minus 8 3 3 3 3x minus 8 is equal to 0. Okay, now let us find its value, and this implies I'm using this thing here. This implies I'm applying the operation C1 plus C2 plus C3. So I'm applying here, I'm applying the operation, that is C1 plus C2 plus C3. So what will happen? That is 3x minus 8 minus 3 minus plus 3 plus 3 6, 6 minus 8, it becomes 3x minus 2. Then C1, then this is again 3x minus 2. So this is again 3x minus 2. So this is 3x minus 8, 3x minus 8. This is 0. So I will take out 3x minus 8 outside, 3x minus 2 outside, and this become 1 1 1. So जब 1 1 आ गया तो इसका मतलब ये डिटर्मिनेंट आसानी से सॉल्व हो जाएगा. तो उसके लिए ऑपरेशंस लगाते हैं. तो what will happen? R2 minus R1, R3 minus R1. So we calculate the value using this one. So we will calculate. So this will become 3x minus 2. When we expand this one, 3x minus 2, 3x minus 11, 3x minus 11 equal to 0. So I will get x is equal to 2 by 3, 11 by 3 and 11 by 3. So value of x is, there are three values, 2 by 3, 11 by 3, 11 by 3. For these values of x, we can find the rank also. Previous part we have done, determinant is 0. So this has given us three value, x is 2 by 3, 11 by 3, 11 by 3. Now when x is 2 by 3, so substitute in a, what you get? When you put the value in a, you get minus 6, 3, 3. So this is 3 minus 6, 3, and this is 3, 3 minus 6. This is. Now because determinant is 0, it means 3 by 3 चेक करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, 2 by 2 का determinant कैलकुलेट कर लेते हैं. This is, so this is 36 minus 9, that is 27, not 0. So rank here is 2.